But while Warren Mayor Jim Fouts may be feeling vindicated about those recordings he has denied for years, the attorney in the wrongful termination civil lawsuit says his case is just as strong without them.
We are obviously thrilled with the judge's ruling. Mayor Fouts has had to deal with these audio recordings for a very long time.
Warren City Attorney Kim Badalamenti referring to several secret recordings that allegedly capture Warren Mayor Jim Fouts making racist remarks, making fun of disabled people, and degrading women. But on Wednesday, Judge Gershwin Drain ruled because those tapes could not be authenticated, they could not be used in court. Jonathan Marco is representing Gregory Murray, the Warren Diversity Coordinator who has filed a civil suit against Fouts and the police department, claiming he was fired for addressing a racial and toxic work environment.
It's certainly disappointing news, but and we're looking at our appellate options, but we have so much additional evidence outside of just these audio clips that we feel extremely confident moving forward with the case.
Confident, Attorney Marco claims because he has several witnesses who will testify under oath, reinforcing the outrageous recordings that first emerged back in 2016, including a federal government employee expected to train city workers about that very behavior.
In her 250 trainings that she's done in her entire career, this was the most offensive training she's ever been a part of, and that the mayor actively mocked people with disabilities, minorities, and women.
What good are they? They're dysfunctional human beings.
Fouts publicly denied it was his voice on the recordings, and the city attorney maintains the audio was manipulated and manufactured without the people who secretly recorded the conversations coming forward to prove they were authentic. The federal judge had no choice but to throw out the evidence.
This is not his voice. He would never say these things. He is offended by the statements that he hears. They offend him just like they offend me, and they offend you, and they offend the public.
The mayor has people running scared. It's a pretty well-known open secret in Warren that if you mess with the mayor, bad things are going to happen to you.
Now, although the recordings can't be used, the federal judge has said there is enough evidence to head to trial on the civil case. Marco says it should begin in early 2022, and he plans to call Mayor Fouts as his first witness. Monica?
Well, so is there any chance the people who supposedly recorded the mayor could come forward?
Well, Marco says he hopes it would definitely help, but those he has been able to identify claims that they fear retaliation. There are several people, I guess, who made these recordings, so it is doubtful at this point, but he is encouraging people to do that. Meantime, the city attorney says today's ruling will help reduce frivolous lawsuits against Fouts.